Assalamu alaikum viewers. THF has brought you to this colorful, unique world of fruit, that is the recognition of Sargodha in Pakistan. Yes, as you can see and you can well observe that I have brought you to the beautiful world of kinus. Kinus, which are a recognition of not only Sargodha but Pakistan and at the world level. As you can see, this beautiful display of kinus and the citrus fruit. This fruit and its display and its colors and its growth. Everything is the result of decades-long research done by Citrus Fruit Institute, Sargodha. Well friends, this research institute has so far introduced more than kinds of citrus fruit categories and different species of fruit, and out of 150, more than 40 kinds are seedless. As you can see on this display, some of the oranges or kinus are half cut, put before you. You can well see the fruit without seeds, and there are so many other kinds which you can well imagine, and the research done behind it. It's one of the unique kinds of research institute which has contributed a lot in the kinu research. The major kinds it has so far introduced are its Maniola, Arnold Blood, Chamber, Kozan, Parson Brown, Pomelo White, Blood Red, Hamlin, Pineapple, Pink Ruby, Marsh Early, Mid Sweet, and here we are. This is the area from where you can see this is the polishing, packing and grading area, where you can see a lot of fruit which is being polished, which is being preserved, and a number of skilled labor is already present here. They're all the time busy in their work. I would say it is the most important area where the fruit is polished, graded and preserved. This gentleman is behind all this work, and this gentleman is proud to have all these fruits in his country.
सरगोदा का जो किन्नू है, इसकी जो शेल्फ लाइफ है, यानी इसको हम ज़्यादा देर तक जो है स्टोर कर सकते हैं। इसका स्किन बहुत जो है वो नरम होती है, तो इस तरह की खसूसियात लिया और टोबा और बाकी इलाकों के किन्नू में इस किस्म की खसूसियात नहीं पाई जाती।
Well, my friends, this beautiful fruit is now being packed here. As you can see, this is the peculiar way of packing fruit in Sargodha, and it is used for export. These different fruits in different colors. It is present in red color, pink color, greenish color, and all this fruit is being packed here. You can see the labor, and you can see the beautiful display. And now this is the last phase of this packing. Peculiarly and specially made wooden boxes are there in which this fruit is put and finally packed for export. Well, in the end, I would like to ask everyone who has not yet subscribed our channel, please do subscribe it for our own encouragement and the promotion of Pakistani fruit and culture. Thank you.